and to outline our program of work. Our actual working sessions will not begin until tomorrow.
Ich bin sicher, Sie haben es alle sehr eilig.
Que ustedes conozcan mejor con el tiempo esta gran ciudad que es New York.
Мы очень гордимся тем прогрессом, которого мы достигли.
Made here, since we bought the island of Manhattan from the Indians for $24. To close this first session, I only wish to repeat our hopes that you have a pleasant stay among us. It would be a symbol of international cooperation and peace that we all hope for. Let us not consider this Congress solely as a technical meeting, but rather as a major step toward the cooperation of the brotherhood of all men of goodwill.